I'm Kevin with ManKitchenRecipes, and today we're going to smoke some ham sticks. There's been a lot of videos around with spiral cut hams. One of the family traditions from my wife's side was to make ham sticks, and they are delicious. So the only difference that we're changing in the recipe is we're going to use the pellet grill. We're going to smoke them for a little while. They're not going to be baked in the oven, although they could be. What fun is that, right? So let me take you inside and we'll show you how to make them. Okay, here's Nana's glazed ham sticks on my website, ManKitchenRecipes.com. I like to keep them there so I can just print them off when I need them. So we need some milk, a pound of ham, a pound and a half of ground pork, brown sugar, saltine crackers, 2 cups of hot water, 2 eggs, white vinegar, yellow mustard, Morton salt. You can use any mustard. We are going to heat the water up. Anyway, so the first thing I got to do is I got to get that ham ground up. So let's just throw this in my grinder, get it ground up really quick. I know you may not all have a grinder, but hey, if you're going to have ground ham, it's hard to find. You pretty much have to do it yourself. So, all right, once we get that ham ground up just like that, we're going to put it in a bowl. Start adding all the ingredients. Let's get our ham in there. We get this ground pork. I did not grind my own pork because it's easily purchased at the store. So it's 1.5 pounds. And then to this, we're just going to add in our milk. So we got 1 cup of milk. We've got a half a cup of crushed saltines. That's 10 saltine crackers for half a cup. Dump that in there. And then we're going to get our eggs in there. We are using 2 eggs. And then we're just going to get our hand in there. Let me throw this away first. Just going to stick our hand in there and mix it all up. Just like this. So I'll just use one hand. Now when you get it mixed up, it's going to be really, really moist. Almost wet. So don't worry, that's how it's supposed to be. And then you're just going to form these into kind of like this top of a chicken drumstick. About, 3 to 4 inches, kind of a football shape. Just like that. And then I've got these sticks. They're about 8 inches long. And then we're just going to stick it in the middle. Run it through the center of the ham. Going to get a foil lined cookie sheet. Just like that. And then on our cookie sheet, I'm going to start laying these out. I'm not going to make you watch me make all of them. This batch will make a dozen. So there's one. I'm going to make the rest. And there we go. There's the dozen. Okay, here's our ham sticks. We're getting ready to put them in the smoker. Okay, so let's get these ham sticks, which are actually Nana's ham sticks for my wife's side. So let's get these in the grill. Okay, before I get them in the grill though, I want to let you know that this recipe is on my website at ManKitchenRecipes.com. Go check it out. If you want to make these, all the instructions and the measurements and everything are in there. Okay. Start out. We are just going to throw these in here. Kind of fit. And I'm going to get on, just smoke them for about 45 minutes, and then we'll put the glaze on them. And while those ham sticks are smoking, we're going to get 2 cups of hot water, 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of white vinegar, tablespoon of mustard, and a teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to mix that up, and then we're going to stick it in one of our pots. We're going to put it over some fire. We're going to bring this up to a boil, and then of course once you get this brought up to a boil just like that, we're going to reduce it down to a simmer, and we're going to simmer it for about 25-30 minutes. We're going to reduce it by about 1/3, and that's your glaze. Okay, we have had these in for 1 hour. just so we can get some smoke on them. They're looking pretty good. That. Yep, they're looking good. What I'm going to do is put them this way. And it's time to get the glaze on. So we mixed up our glaze. We reduced it down by 1/3. Now we're just going to, don't be afraid, get it all on there. Get it on each one, and it will thicken up as we go. Like that. Okay, we're gonna let it go for a while, and then we'll throw some more glaze on there. Looking at probably 2.5 hours of the cook time, so we'll check back in about an hour. It's been 45 more minutes. They're looking pretty good. Now I guess I'm going to add the rest of this glaze that we have here. Seems like a lot. But hey, who am I to mess with the recipe aside from smoking it, right? Oh, these are gonna be good. Okay. We've got all the glaze on, as instructed by Nana's recipe. No, she is not with us any longer. All right. See you in about another 45. You're 2 hours and 45 minutes in. Oh, look at that. Look delicious. Just take a quick temp check on them. Oh yeah, 187, 188, they're done. Okay, we're gonna get these in. Look at that. I'll be back out, do a quick little taste test. This is Nana's ham sticks. And here they are, Nana's ham sticks. Glazed ham sticks. Man, these are so good. They're great at the holidays or anytime. Let's take a taste test. Okay, Nana's ham sticks. These things are so good. Family tradition on the wife's side. There they are. Look at that. It's cold out here, so I'm going to take a quick bite. Let's get back inside. Oh. Just like I remember them. Nice bottom. The glaze is awesome. It's an alternative holiday treat that we always bake, and they're so good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Ring the bell. We'll keep bringing the videos. All right, time to get inside.